So it's come to my attention that some of you don't know what a dirty soda is. Luckily for you, this is my favorite drink, so of course I'll show you how to make it. I'm gonna give you a warning though. You might become addicted, so taste at your own risk. Seriously. I literally have to stop myself from trying to have 5 of these a day. First things first, ice. I don't feel like that's enough, so... Okay, now you're gonna want some lime juice. I didn't use lime in the first video, but it does make a slight difference. Most people are using fresh lime. I don't got time for that. I'm a lazy girl, so... You don't really need that much. I've seen people do other flavors. I've never had any other flavor except for the Dr. Pepper, specifically strawberries and cream. I'm telling you, if you haven't had it with this one, if you haven't had it with the strawberry and cream soda, you're missing out. Actually, you know what? Don't try it with the strawberry and cream soda. God forbid this blows up and y'all sell out the strawberry and cream. It's horrible. It's terrible for you. And actually, you're gonna gain a lot of weight if you drink this. Ooh. We gotta wait for her to go down. You guys, my brain is already getting so happy. Like, last time when I was pouring this, I was literally shaking. Okay, now it's time for the secret ingredient. Milk. I'm kidding. It's not milk. It's coconut cream coffee creamer. I don't know who thought about putting soda and coffee creamer together, but bless your heart because this is amazing. Look how cute. The more cream you put in, the less fizzy it's gonna be, FYI. And then for the last step, I can't explain how this makes me feel, but like, if only you knew. Don't judge me. I like a lot of cream in mine, which is the reason why I don't have these all the time. Do you understand how big back I'd be if I drank 1 of these a day? 5 of them how I want to? Oh, I'd be a big girl. Oh, man. Why are the things that are so bad for us so good? Why? If I'm having a bad day, if I just broke up with my man, my dog dies, I don't even have a dog. This will cure any bad day. But just be careful, you might turn into a big bag. Also, apparently they make these at Sonic. If you don't want to make this, you can apparently get it at Sonic. I've never been to Sonic. I've never had Sonic in my entire life, so I don't know if it's good. I can't vouch for it. Someone in my comments said it tastes like ass, so do with that information what you will. Anyway, that's how you make a dirty soda. Love you lots. Mwah. Hasta luego. Cheers.